So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to track your electric scooter from anywhere. I lost my electric scooter yesterday. Somebody stole last week, so somebody stole it and then I got it back with lot of hassle. Now I'm planning to put a tracker inside it and I'll make it easy, so easy that you guys can use it anyway. So here you can see I already opened up my scooter, the battery cover, back cover. Now I'll just put my tracker in. So I bought this tracker from AliExpress. It has Apple Find My support. I will check how to pair this with my phone here so that I can track it, and then this is the tracker. Let me check. Okay, so it makes some noise. Okay, I'm not sure really. Let me play some noise. So that is my another one. So here what I will do, let me add, I think like there's no way to add this one. I don't remember really well how to add this one. So it's kind of like that, add other item, then it is supposed to find this one. It looks like it's not discovering it anyway. I think what I will do, I'll just open it for the time being and then we'll check what's going on. Is the battery okay? Battery is supposed to be okay, but it's a new thing, no? I never used it. Okay, let me check. It's not really. Yes, it found it. Okay, it has a name here. iTech 3 Connect. I put a name. Rubels. You can see there's a name there. So I put scooter. Continue. Okay, scooter. Yep. Continue. Agree. So it is done. You can see. Finish. Okay. So now I have my scooter paired. Okay. So there were some kind of issue. I don't know what kind of, what is the reason, but seems like after I open it, it got fixed. Here you can see the battery, scooter battery. It's like showing it's 100%, format, serial number and everything. I have, let me play the sound. Yes, it is good. Okay, so that's it. Now what I will do, you'll see, I need to put this guy here somewhere. It has space here, so what I'll do, I'll just put it here, right? Okay, I think this place is much better. Okay, and then, or even I can put it, so I put it here.